Hi guys, today I will be teaching you the most simple and the first tense out of all the tenses in English. That is simple present tense. So, as I mentioned earlier, today we will be studying about simple present tense. Let's see what that is. The simple present tense is used when an action happens regularly as a habit. So we use this tense to report habitual actions. This tense is formed by using the root form or by adding s or es to the end of the verb. So when we write sentences using simple present tense, we use the present or the root form of the verb by adding s or es to the end of the verb according to the subject. Now let us see the structure of the sentences which are written in simple present tense. Subject plus verb in present form and object. So first we write the subject, then we write the verb in the present form, which is the root form of the verb, and then we write the object. Let's see some examples. She makes a cake. In the sentence, she makes a cake. She is the subject, makes is the verb in the present form, and a cake is the object. So in this sentence, we have added an s to the verb make because she, which is the subject, is singular. But if the subject is plural, such as they, we, you, we do not add an s at the end of the verb. Example number 2. We play tennis. Here, we is the subject and play is the verb in present form and tennis is the object. So, in this sentence, we do not add an s or es to the verb which is play, as we, the subject, is plural. Next example, I write stories. I is the subject, write is the verb in present form, and stories is the object. So to explain further, we how we add s and es to the verb, let's see these examples. He, she, it. The subjects he, she, and it are singular subjects. Therefore, when we write sentences using simple present tense, we add either s or es to the end of the verb, which is in present tense. Example, he climbs a tree. She climbs a tree. It climbs a tree. And we do not add s or es to the verb of a sentence when I is the subject. So example, I play the guitar. For plural subjects such as we, you, and they, we do not add s or es to the end of the verb since they are plural. Example, we listen to music, you listen to music, and they listen to music. Affirmative form. Now we will be seeing the affirmative form or the positive form of sentences written in simple present tense. Example number 1. She writes a story. She is the subject, writes is the verb, and a story is the object. Example number 2. He plays tennis. Example number 3. It eats meat. Example number 4, they sell ice cream. Example number 5, we study science. And example number 6, you make cake. Next, we will be seeing the negative form of sentences written in simple present tense. Example number 1. She does not write a story. So, when we write a sentence in negative form, we add the word not. And in negative form of simple present tense, we do not add s or es to the end of the verb in uh, sentences with subjects which are singular. Instead, we add es to the word do. She, do plus es, does not write a story. He, do plus es, does not play tennis. It does not eat meat. Since other subjects are plural, such as they, we, you, we do not add es to the word do. They do not sell ice cream. We do not study science. You do not make cake. Next, we will be seeing the interrogative form of sentences written in simple present tense in simple words, that is question form. Example number 1. Does she write a story? So, as I mentioned earlier, in negative form, when in negative form and interrogative form, we do not add s or es to the end of the verb because we already add es to the word do, which is used in front of the sentence in question form. Do plus es equals does. Does she write a story? Does he play tennis? Does it eat meat? Do they sell ice cream? Do we study science? And do you make a cake? So when the subject is plural, we do not add es to the word do, which is written in front of the subject, and therefore an example for interrogative form of simple present tense with a plural subject will be as do you make cake? That's the end of this lesson. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video. Thank you.